Good morning, everybody. The blade shown in the video is model 4.2. The blade model 4.2 is for the orange thermal cutter. The orange thermal cutter is used for trimming interlayer, remains of heated laminated glass. Thermal cutter is also named as heating cutter, hot knife or high temp cutter. The different model of blades is to suit different jobs and shapes of cut. And there are 4 models of blades for orange thermal cutter. The most popular blade is model 11.2. The second popular blade is model 14.2. The third popular blade is model 4.2. The fourth popular blade is model 3.2. And you may order the blades separately at any quantity you need. You may order blades only without thermal cutter. And if you want to order, please feel free to contact us, and you may expect our answers in 24 hours. Thanks very much for your watching. Have a nice day.